So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about the plant which can grow without soil. So the first plant in the list is Java Fern. So Java Fern is a popular plant in the aquarium hobby. So it is a tall stem plant that can grow up to 13 inches in length. So this plant is very easy to maintain and it can tolerate a wide range of water parameter, which makes it ideal for beginners plant. So this plant is widely available in pet shop and they are extremely cheap. So Java Fern doesn't require any substrate to survive and grow. This plant doesn't come with any root, instead it has rhizomes. Also it doesn't draw any nutrients from the substrate because it is a water column feeder plant. And the second plant in the list is Java Moss. So Java Moss is one of the easiest plant to grow in the aquarium hobby. So this plant is very undemanding when it comes to lighting and water quality. So this plant is very popular in aquascaping. And it is also very popular among breeders because it provides protection for the eggs and fry. So Java Moss can grow without any fertilizer. But if you want to speed up its growth, you can supplement it with some fertilizers. So the third plants in the list is, and the next plant is green kabamba. This plant is not a beginner's plant. It is not an extremely difficult plant but not a beginner's plant. So kabamba is normally planted in the substrate, but when added to the tank as a free floating plant, the plant will float near the surface. It has a dense and silk-like structure with super delicate leaves. So this plant requires medium to high lighting, and when it's used as a floating plant, it will grow faster compared to the plant. And the fourth plant in the list is hornwort. So hornwort is a tall stem plant that can grow up to 10 feet. So it is a very popular plant in the aquarium hobby because it is one of the best oxygenating plant. This plant can tolerate a wide range of water parameter, which makes it ideal for beginners plant. It is also a fast growing plant and it is very easy to care for. The reason behind the fast growth of hornwort is that it basically allows to release certain chemicals that prevent the growth of other plant in its surrounding. So the hornwort can get all the available nutrients. So if you have any other plant in your aquarium, then you should regularly add fertilizer for their growth. And the last plant is Anubias plant. So Anubias is one of the most popular plant in the aquarium hobby. So it is a very hardy plant which makes it ideal for beginners. So the growth rate of this plant is relatively slow, but provided with sufficient nutrients, you can speed up its growth. For proper and faster growth, you can supplement Anubias with some liquid fertilizers. You should add liquid fertilizer often, weekly after water change. So you can also supplement it with CO2, though it is not necessary. So the previous mentioned plants do not need substrate to grow in your aquarium. So these plants do not rely on their roots to take in the nutrition they need to grow. They rather can get their nutrients straight from the water through their leaves. These are all information regarding the plants which can grow without soil. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned to my channel.